Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to stream on TikTok on PC. So just please follow my steps until the end and let's begin the tutorial. And so the first step we need to go and open Google over here, and from Google we're going to search for TikTok Live Studio, and we'll go to this option which is download Live Studio. And now from here we'll go and click on free download for Windows, and we'll wait until the download gets over. And now whenever the application is downloaded we need to install the app, so we click on it and click on install over here from this button, and now click on finish to run the TikTok Live Studio. And so from here click on allow to get the permission for the app, and now click on this option which is login to begin the live stream, and from here you need to log into your TikTok with your account on TikTok. And then whenever you log in, go here on setup now, and now from here you will set up your microphone and camera. You can use either microphone that you have or a new one, and also you can use the OBS camera or the USB camera. And this is the network speed and also the hardware performance. And so whenever this is done, just click on OK from here. And now this is the last step for the scene. You can change the video quality, FPS, resolution, and so on and so forth. But I prefer to make it on automatic because it's much easier for me. And then click on next, and here you have the scene. You can choose any color of these, and you can choose either this way or you can put on portrait. And now you're ready to go. Just go here for click on not now, and you will be able to go for stream on TikTok. At the end, that was all today's video. If you find this very helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.